Hi everyone, I'm Mai from the After Sales Department. Bali, ang role ni After Sales is after the installation, we focus on the clients na magtuturo sa kanila kung ano yung mga dapat at hindi dapat gawin after the installation. For the demo ng lift, and then paano yung mga usage ng safety features ng lift ni CBES. For the maintenance ni CBES, kasi kami lang rin yung gumagawa ng maintenance ng CBES. Meron kaming sariling after sales, and then yung mga technicians mismo ni CBES ang gumagawa lahat nun. Para sa customer service satisfaction, minimit namin yung standards na gusto ni clients. Binibigay namin yung 100% na meron kami sa after sales. And then, for the concerns niya is, binibigay namin yung mga dapat na sagot kung ano dapat yung mga tanong na gustong malaman ni clients regarding sa lift niya.
Hi, I'm Jerome from CBES Lift Philippines, one of the staff or assistant here in After Sales Department. One of my description of my job is doing inventory. Most likely po, nag-monitor ng mga spare parts if there is a out of stock or low stock that needed to. Yun, also conducting or preparation ng mga items or spare parts kapag may for installation, troubleshooting, or PNS. Ang importance ng inventory kay CBES is to monitor closely yung mga spare parts so we can handily provide sa mga techs and also sa mga helpers during and after installation or also troubleshooting. Case talagang out of stock, we do ordering or notifying the head office po sa Sweden in regards with the allocation ng out of stock items or spare parts.
Hi, I'm Teresa from After Sales Service. So, ang role ko dito is after the service ni technicians, after the installation. So, paano yung procedures na close deal ni sales after the transferring from the post-sales during the installation, and paano yung service na na-encounter ni client from day one. Kasi after sales service, we do the customer satisfactory by doing binibigay yung or kailangan na needs ni clients. We receive the good feedback from clients, most especially by encountering yung well-trained technicians ni CBES. So from there, well-communicated, they are trusted to demo, and it comes with the after-sales service feedback from the clients. So nakaka-receive kami ng maraming good feedbacks. Since we have professional and well-trained technicians. So from there, si technician talaga yung nagdadala ng responsible service directly sa aming mga client. Since naibibigay lahat nila yung importansya ng produkto at saka yung service na binibigay ni CBES.